Enhance your sleep routine with Herbalife Sleep Enhancer. Wind up the day and take a gentle step towards improving sleep quality. Sleep Enhance Beverage, a health supplement infused with scientifically studied saffron extract Affron, created for your nighttime routine. Sleep Enhance is a health supplement containing a plant-based ingredient and is designed to help individuals improve sleep quality and wake up feeling calm and enhanced mood. Formulated with Effron crocus sativus, a clinically studied ingredient that is shown to improve sleep quality when taken 1 hour before bedtime for at least 28 days. It also helps wake up with a feeling of calmness and enhanced mood after awakening the next day. Suitable for those adults with a feeling of unsatisfactory sleep and want to improve their sleep quality. Make a mindful sip relishing the hibiscus flavor with Sleep Enhance and immerse yourself in a moment with Sleep Enhance TM. Savor the warm, subtle flavor of hibiscus as you wind down for the night. Feature and benefits: improve sleep quality, helps wake up with a feeling of calmness, improve mood after awakening, is comprised with clinically proven saffron extract, has no artificial flavor, no added caffeine, no added sugar, contain non-caloric sweetener, suitable for vegans, is gluten-free, has 30 servings. This is only a brand name and does not represent its true nature. Sleep quality is defined as an individual's self-satisfaction with all aspects of the sleep experience. Sleep quality has 4 attributes: sleep efficiency, sleep latency, sleep duration, and wake after sleep onset. When taken 1 hour before bedtime for at least 28 days. Usage: take 2 full without heap scoops 1 gram approx of Sleep Enhance powder in 160 milliliter of hot by cold water as per your like. Mix it and sip to enjoy mindfully. Recommended usage level: 1 serving per day, not to exceed the recommended daily usage content. 1 Newton scoop is provided inside the canister. Store with lid tightly closed in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight. Recommended to consume the product within 30 days once the canister is opened. Product is required to be stored out of reach of children. Pregnant or lactating women should consult their physician prior to use of this product. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This product is not to be used as a substitute for a varied diet. Please see the product label for detailed information.